Alright, now looking at this question, the diagram shows a design for a logo made from a sector and two triangles. The sector center O has a radius of 8 cm and sector 210. So these are 8 cm, 8 cm, this will be the radius. AC is 8 cm and angle ACB is 72 degrees. Show that the angle OAB is 15 degrees. Now, if we know that these two are your radiuses, then we know that these two share the same angle, okay? And we know that a full circle is 360 degrees. So this angle added up together is 360 degrees. So using 360 minus 210, we could calculate the angle in here, which will be 150 degrees. Okay? If the internal angle here is 150, we know that angle OAB and OBA is the same. Therefore, 180 minus 150 degrees, you will get 30 degrees. Okay, to find the angle of OAB, we need to use 30 degrees divided by 2. Therefore, it is 15 degrees. Okay, this is how you prove this kind of questions. Now, calculate the length of the straight line AB. Looking at this AB line here, we only have information from this upper triangle up here. So, using your cosine formula, A square equals to B square plus C square minus 2BC cos A, substituting your values in, AB square, the one that we're looking for, is equals to B square and C square. This would be your B side, this would be your C side, okay? Which is the same, 8 square plus 8 square minus 2, 8 cos would be this angle here, 150 degrees. 150 degrees. So putting that into your formula, 150 degrees, we know that AB is the square root of this entire formula. 8 square plus 8 square minus 2, 8 cos 150 degrees. Okay, so now typing everything into your calculator properly, 8 square plus 8 square minus 2 times 8 times 8 times cos 150, square root your answer, you will have gotten 15.5 for 3 significant figures cm. Alright, so the answer is 15.5. Alright, now calculate the angle of A, B, and C. Angle ABC would be this angle here. To calculate this angle, we need to use the sine rule. Alright, so since we're calculating angle, we're going to put sine angle ABC over 8 cm. 8 cm is equals to sine 72 over this value that we just calculated, okay, which is 15.5, but remember to use the full values in your calculator for this. Okay, so starting off, sine 72 divided by your answer from the calculator just now for this, okay, multiply it by 8 and shift sign answer. Alright, your angle is supposed to be 29.5 degrees. The working would have been angle ABC is equals to shift sign 8 times sine 72 over 15.5. Remember to use the full values in your calculator for this answer. Okay, now finally this will have been 29.5. Last question, oh wait, two more. Calculate the total area for the logo design. Okay, so we know that this is uh, a part of a circle. We have two triangles here and here. Okay, the area for a circle is pi r square, and to calculate triangles, non-right angle would be half a b sine c. Okay, so to calculate this, we know that this circle is only 210 degrees wide. So using 210 over 360 times pi times r, which was 8 square, plus the first triangle, half 8 sine 150, plus the next triangle. Alright, this triangle we would be using, we have this value here and this value here, so we need to finally calculate the last angle here, this angle, which is we know that this was 29.5, this value was 29.5. Okay, so 180 minus 29.5 minus 72 degrees, you would have gotten this angle here, which is 78.5 degrees. Alright, and we know that this length here is 15.5. So going back to the formula, half 15.5, b, which was 8, cos 78.5. Okay, when you type this in and add everything into your calculator, 0, 360 times pi times 8 square plus half a b sine c plus half a b sine. Your final answer should be 194.0. Correct. There's three significant figures. Square centimeters. Okay. 194.0. Or you could just give your longer value 194.04. Okay. Now calculate the logo design is enlarged with a scale factor of 4 of the actual logo. Calculate the actual logo size. So we know that this is just a scale logo and we want to calculate the actual logo size. So using 194, enlarge it by 4. But notice that this is actually scale factor of 4 times for a square. So therefore it's supposed to be times 4 square. So it will be 194 times 4 square, which is 3,104 square centimeters. 3,104 square centimeters. Okay. Next question. The diagram is made from 5 congruent kites. Find the value of x. Again, inside here we know that is 360 degrees and all of these are x, 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 and x. So to find x, it is 360 divided by 5, which is 72 degrees. Okay, x is 72 degrees. To find the value of y, since we know that this is 72 degrees and this is 42 degrees, these two values are supposed to be the same. And since it is a 4-sided polygon, we know that the total internal angle would be 360. You minus 42 and minus 72 degrees, divide that by half. Okay, so the final answer would be half because there's two sides of it. 360 minus 42 minus 72, you would have gotten 246 degrees. Alright.